Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another really fun creative photography video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to get some really cool light trail shots just like this. Now, believe it or not, I used only this right here, which are sparklers, and you can pretty much pick these up absolutely anywhere these days and get some really cool light trail shots like this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video and I'm going to show you how I was able to capture this. So to start us off, I obviously had sparklers, and then I decided to use this little Star Wars figurine as my subject because I thought I could get some really cool light trails and add kind of like a nice effect to it. And as you can see here, this was my first attempt. And you can see with my left hand, I'm actually hitting the shutter button and grabbing some shots continually as I move around the sparkler in different ways to kind of see what is providing the best result that I'm going for. This is one of the fun parts because you get to play around and get really creative and see what actually gives you the result that you're looking for. So after those shots, I realized something was missing and we weren't really getting a lot of contrast or fill light on our subject. So what I did was I decided to pull out a light, and as you can see, I changed the color. It's a full RGB LED light. I changed the color to something that's more teal to basically complement the really warm tones. And in doing so, I was able to get shots like this. Now we're getting much closer to the overall image that I definitely was going for. And now you can see I also changed my shutter to the bulb. And what that means is the shutter will remain open as long as I have the shutter button held down. So I was able to better control the shutter speed this way and get more shots in one take, or in one sparkler rather. And that is going to wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it entertaining and enjoyed some of these really cool shots that you can go out and take as well. Now, don't forget that down below we will have some links to some really awesome contests we have going on over at ViewBug.com. And if you're not familiar, essentially you have the opportunity to win some really awesome prizes, not to mention potentially gain exposure worldwide. So if that is something you are interested in, go ahead and check those links to find out more info. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I will see you all in the next one.